Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bitcoin down 10% following August CPI report. Tuesday saw the most significant drop in BTC price since June. The price of Bitcoin fell by 10% on Tuesday, September 13th, after the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics published a report stating that the Consumer Price Index (SPI) for August stand at 8.3%. The day saw massive liquidation and price drop across a multitude of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's dramatic drop on Tuesday. After a weekend rally kickstart on Friday that brought the world's biggest crypto up to more than $22,000 from last week's low of just under $19,000. Tuesday saw a rapid and massive drop. The price collapse starts around 8:13 a.m. when Bitcoin was valued at $22,719 and continued for most of the day. By 5 p.m., it stood just above $20,200. The price collapse starts as soon as the CPI report for August was released. The effect of the Bureau's publication was further exacerbated by the high likelihood that the Fed will make its third interest rate hike, estimated at 75 bps. The news hurt the entire market. Both the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 fell by around 4%. The effect on the price of cryptocurrency were worse still, with most of them faking a significant drop. A widespread crypto liquidation. Bitcoin wasn't the only crypto suffering a sharp drop throughout Thursday. Ethereum fell around 7% from a value of $1,754 just before the report was released, down to under $1,600, according to the data from Coinlist. Most cryptocurrencies went through mass liquidation in the past 24 hours. The total value of liquidation is estimated at over $350 million. Bitcoin accounts for more than $130 million, and ETH is a close second at nearly $1,022 million. The massive volume and volatility allegedly caused technical difficulties for some major exchanges. Coinbase, Nasdaq Coin reported that some customers were having issues with simple trade starting just after noon. The issue with failed transaction was reported to have been resolved several hours later on Coinbase support Twitter. We are aware some customers had some trouble with simple trade on Coinbase. Beginning around 8 p.m. PT, our teams have already implemented a fix and we are seeing some improvement. We will continue to monitor until this is fully resolved and keep you updated here. The best place to get started with crypto, Coinbase. Coinbase buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more with Trust. Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.